Friends, this is letter number 67. Letter number 67. Title is A Telling Commentary. Printed in the Hindustan Times, November 1, 1998. November 1, 1998. A Telling Commentary. Sir, Vigour, comma, VITA, LITY, and VALOUR can adorn any political party provided PROVIDED. Its approach does not represent negativism, NEGATIVISM. The tragedy with most of our political parties is that these never target problem facing the country with a constructive CONSTRUCTIVE, original and a genuine GENUINE positive approach. LAMBASTING Congress, LEFTISTS and RLM in the national executive represents this LACUNAE, LACUNAE, which the BJP suffers from the most. This is just to confuse people and the problems. In fact, BJP does not have its own INDI VIDU ALITY. BJP roots in spite INSPITE of all DENIALS rest in RSS and further FURTHER SURR OUNDED, surrounded by its CONSTELLATION as SOCIATES, like the VHP, Bajrang Dal, Shiv Sena, and last but not the least, the SJM. A political party should only be a political party and not an admixture, ADMIXTURE, People are blaming Jayalalitha, Jayalitha, because of media hype, HYPE. But the lady represents a political party which target by BJP's SPECI ALISTS for SPLITTING SPLITTING other parties from the very day of its alliance ALLIANCE still remains REMAINS the biggest alliance partners PARTNERS on UNPRE CEDENTED UNPRE CEDENTED price rise, storage shortage, price rise shortage, SHORTAGE of NECE SSITIES NECE SSITIES rising MILITANCY in J&K and Northeast, INSE CURITY in the capital, LIBER ALISATION LIBER ALISATION of Swadeshi. And last but not the least, about half a dozen strikes STRIKs of nurse NURSES, telecom PERSONNEL personal worker of health service, UNIVERSITY TEACHERS are some of the hallmarks HLLMARKS. The responsibility RESPONSIBILITY for all this RESTS with BJP and none else. In fact, its own pulse PULLS and PRESSURES COMPELLED compelled, COMPELLED, it to forget the slogans, SLOGANS, of Bhay, BHAY, Bhook and Bhrashtachar. Its own Bhay stopped it from commenting, COMMENTING, on the monumental, MONUMENTAL, MONUMENTAL Sri Krishna report. Bhook was evident, EVIDENT, when farmers committed suicide as the last resort, RESORT, and as for Bhrashtachar, the needle of SUSPICION has been raised, RAISED, by its leading LEADING alliance, ALLIANCE partner, PARTNER. Yours, etc. Mahesh Inder Sharma, writer, station director, classical singer, All India Radio. Writer Mahesh Inder Sharma, classical singer, station director, All India Radio. This is letter number 67. Vaheguru, Vaheguru.